Hi everyone, I'm Akila. I'm working with finance report from the sample dataset provided in the Power BI desktop. So let me explain you the requirement. Here there is a product slicer and this is a line graph which is giving the total sales with respect to calendar months. So when a user selects a particular product, this graph is updating to give us a sales with respect to that product Montana. If a user select multiple products, it is clubbing up the data, right? For the two products, this is the total sales. The requirement is I want user to select two products and I want to see each line for the each product. One for the Montana and one for the Paseo so that I can compare the product sales across the calendar months. So how do I do that? Because the product names are in a single column product and the total sales is from the same column, right? So how do I achieve this? So here, this video will help you to achieve that with not only with respect to product selection, you can have multiple year selection, segment selection, in any report, you may user may interested to select two things and want to compare the data with respect to his selections. So how do I do that? First, let us make this as a single select because I want user to select only single product. I don't want to make it clumsy. Okay. See, first thing is this. So user will select only one product at a time. And this data is giving for that respective product. So I should come up with another slicer with the second selection. So to get that, I am coming up with a static table, some DAX table. Okay, instead of this static entering, let me come up with a DAX table with the distinct products. I'm naming this table as product. I'm calling the distinct function to display all the distinct products into this table so that I can use this column for my select second slicer. Okay, you can see here the product table has been created with a column product with distinct products from the financials table. And even this I'm converting into a single selection. Okay. So as of now, even though I select this, nothing is happening. I'm not going to my model view and relate these two. Okay. I'm just maintaining it a separate table. Okay. So now I should write a measure based on this product selection. They should find out the sum of total sales. So let me add a measure in this financials. Sales of second product. That's what I'm thought of. Okay, you can rename it if you want. So now I'm calling the super function, calculate, the very super function, right? Calculate function. I'm calling sum of financial sales. Okay, this will give me the sales amount, total sales, comma. Now I should remove all the filters on this financial table first because this product, the first product is from this financial table, right? Whenever I'm selecting this, the entire table will be filtered on top of this product. So first I'm calling remove filters on the financial tables product. Okay, all the product related filters will be removed. Now what filter you want to apply? You want to filter the data based on the second product table column, right? So where financials product equals to max of product table product. Okay. This VTT, if I select this VTT here, this VTT will become the max of this list, right? So this VTT will be passed and checked for the financials product table. this table, product column. So the data will be filtered on top of it. Enter. Now let me call that sales of second segment to this. Sales of second product. See, sales of second product. Dark blue line. So if I select Velo, if I select Amarilli, okay. Okay, here if you see, this is only month graph. There is no year selection. There is no year slicer as well. So it is just giving this. If you want that year to be selected, yeah, there are only 2 years data, 2013 or 2014. Let me convert into a drop down. Yeah, let me select 2013. Okay, in 2013, I'm selecting both same options, Amarilla, so that I will test my data as well, right? Indirectly, I'm testing it. It should show the same line, overlapping lines, because same product, right? With respect to same year. I changed my first selection. See, now I'm comparing. So for me, it will be easy based on the year selection. I can select multiple products and compare their total sales. Okay, hope this is useful. Thank you.